Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paper boy, the evening TV. You miss your old familiar friends, but waiting just around the bend. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a heart, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a love of somebody who needs you. When you're lost out there and you're all alone, life is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, everywhere you look.
Okay, so today we are going to talk a little bit about the importance and how to train in emergency calling. If you don't teach a dog anything but that, at least do that, because that's how you're gonna prevent the dog from running out in traffic or all of a sudden take off from you if the leash gets lost and stuff like that, okay? So you wanna make a name for your dog that's kind of like his name, but a little different, maybe with a different tone. Like Batman, instead of calling Batman like I usually do, I go Batman, kind of like a high pitch so you can hear it, so it's loud, okay? And how I do this, when I'm gonna take them off the leash, first and foremost, I'm gonna let them know that I have something they want, something good. That is salami. Let's see here. Let's see here. So this is how I'm gonna get their interest. Okay, come. Sit. Good boy. I'm just gonna... Oh, no salami there. I mixed the salami in with some kibble so we can kind of alternate a little bit. But I want them to know that I have something good. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna let them kind of play a little bit. I'm not gonna be right on top of them. And then I'm gonna call Batman with that special voice. And the moment he comes to me, I'm gonna give him a lot of salami, like it's Christmas Eve, okay? And that's how you make that emergency calling. So, but you can only use it when you train it in, only use it when you have good treats to reward with, and then you save it to when it's an emergency, because then you might not have treats with you, and you can only get away with that once, okay?